to tell you a story. Yes! Are you ready, kids? Let's go in the jungle. There was an ant. An ant was eating an apple. A bee looked at it and flew to join an ant. Some bananas were hanging on the tree. A caterpillar crawled towards the bananas. A camel was looking at an ant, bee, and caterpillar. It called the duck and the dove to join them too. An elephant